Welcome, I'm using INFINIX Hot 11, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this will also remove screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, this will get rid of it. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. And number one, we will want to power off our device by holding the power key, and then you want to hold power off. When the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And when you see this kind of pop-up, I guess, with no command at the bottom, what you want to do is hold power key, press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. Now from here, using volume keys, scroll down to wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, and again select factory data reset, confirm with that. It will begin the process. As you can see at the bottom, you should see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again, and this will initiate a reboot, continue the process in the background, and once it's been completed, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.